Alright, gang. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. Alright, gang. So we're up 1,000. We're up, okay? We're up, about to be up like 2 grand easily. Like, okay? Let me show you what price is doing, okay? Me a big bearish engulfing pattern, a big Morbosal pattern. You see this bearish Morbosal candlestick. Alright, price is smashing back down, okay? Doji. You see it was wicking right here. I made a doji here. You'll usually see this three candlestick pattern right here. Boom. Let me draw that real fast. Go to the rectangle. You'll usually see this 3 candlestick pattern right here, where you see a doji, and then you finally see the break of this red candle. That is called a even star. Okay, so look it up on Google. An even star is usually found at the end of an uptrend. Okay, so this uptrend is now over. We are now in a downtrend. Price is heading back down to 4,900. Okay, it's literally at 4,900. It's about to spike back. It's about to go back up. You're seeing it wick back up, but we're expecting price to go at least to 48,822 before we get out. Okay, so we're up 13 right now. All right, we have 810s in here for Bitcoin. It's depending on how much you're willing to risk. Okay, you see a lot of wicks right here, or even on the 15, you can see a doji right here. Boom, doji. It's like an inverted hammer right here at the top of an uptrend. Like, you know, this uptrend is over. Then you see this bearish engulfing. You see this bearish Morbosal candlestick. Like, you know that sellers are in control. So any confirmation, any signs that you can see, you see it broke the uptrend. Boom, on the 5-minute. It broke the uptrend, okay? It made a lower high, it made a lower low, made another lower high, sharp lower high, now smashed down, made another lower low. Our sales is up here. We got to sell. It's still down here. Price past that already. So now we're looking at the next key level. The next key level will be 49, 500, close to 49,500. It might wake up a little before that, okay? So we're going to hold this trade for a little longer, obviously, but you want to look at the signs, okay? You see a tweezer top right here on the M30, and you see this bearish engulfing pattern right here, or this Morbosal candlestick, this bearish Morbosal candlestick, meaning that it's a red long candlestick, bearish Morbosal candlestick, it's a red long candlestick, meaning that sellers are in control, just like buyers were in control. It opened at the top. Okay, it opened at the top, and then it wicked all the way up, then going back down, and it's closing at the bottom. If it opens at the top and it closes at the bottom, that means that that price is going down. If it opens at the bottom and closes up at the top, that means price is going up. So it opened at the top and it's closing at the bottom. Okay, on the M30 and on the 15, it's starting to wick, but it's making another lower high right now. Probably it's making another lower high before making another lower low. Okay, so we're going to stay in this trade because we want price to go. We want price to go to at least 48. It went to 49. It's at 49, damn near 49 right now. Okay, from 49,500 to 49,133.89 right now. We're expecting price to go and head back down a little further. Okay, we could take this profit right now if we wanted to, but we're going to wait for it to head back down just a little bit further before we close this trade. But you see, we're already in profit, gang. Alright, so we will let this trade run just a little bit longer and see what price wants to do, okay? So that's basically everything. You know, you see everything. You see the wicks. As many times you see the wicks. Wicks meaning at the top means that we're heading back down. Wicks at the bottom, you can see it was wicking at the bottom, mean we're heading back up. Okay, it was wicking at the bottom right here. It was wicking. Boom. You can see, draw the box around that. Okay, the price is going to do the same exact thing. It was wicking at the bottom, wick, wait for price to break the box. Boom, it broke the box. We're in the trade, okay? So, boom, now we're in the trade. It was wicking at 548, 535, and it went all the way up to 49, 630, okay? It won't always go to 48,500. It'll go to 48,535. It won't always go to 49,500. It'll go to 631. Before wicking back down. So now we're in a downtrend and made a lower low, and then another lower high, another lower low. All right, gang. So you can see it on a 15. You can see it on a 5. It's heading back up, but it's making another lower high, and then it's going to crash back down, make a lower low. Like I said, we're expecting a 1-to-4, 1-to-3 risk ratio. So you see it's making another lower low right now. Boom. So we're going to just wait for price to make this another lower low. Okay, but we are in a downtrend right now. Okay, this this bearish engulfing pattern right here confirmed that. Okay, it confirmed it on the 15. You can see it confirmed that. Now we're in a downtrend. Okay, so price is going to do the same thing over and over and over again. Okay, so you look at what price is doing. It went to 49 around there before heading back down last time. So you look at all your confirmations, dojis. You have your Merbozel confirmations. You have your even star memory, even star. You can see that can see that right here on a 5. It made an even star pattern. You see an even star at the end of an uptrend. Okay, we have our key levels. The next key level is 4,900, and it's at 49,159 right now. We're waiting for price to go to 4,900 and back to 48. So we trade key level to key level from 49,500 to 49 to 48,500, okay, to 48, okay, and further down from 48 to 47, 47,500 to 47, okay. So we see a bearish engulfing pattern right here on the 5 and on the 15 and on the 30, okay. We see it on the 30, boom, triple candlestick pattern. Let you know when you see 3 red candlesticks or you see 3 blue candlesticks or green candlesticks, it lets you know that that trend is in effect. Okay, so that we see 3 red candlesticks, letting us know that this trend is in effect. You want to look at the candlesticks. Just look at the candlesticks. Okay, you want to draw your trend line. Once price breaks your trend line, you get in for sales. Okay, so you could have got in right here for another sell when it made another lower high. Okay, entries right here, boom. Once it makes this lower high, it made this lower high right here. Now it's making another lower low. You could have got in at this lower high. So practice on your entries. Okay, risk reward ratio is 1-to-4. Look at your confirmations. Okay, and key levels is important. Okay, make sure you mark down your key levels. You understand key levels that price likes to go. Banks like to go in key levels. Okay, these major banks, they like to trade in key levels. It will go to 4,900 or 48, or go to 48. 891 or 48,995 around there. Okay, so if we do see that, we are in an uptrend on the hourly chart too. Okay, so we're just waiting to see what price wants to do. It's going to make another lower. It's going to make this lower high before making another lower low. So we're waiting for that to happen right now. All right, gang, and I will be posting this trade up on YouTube too. So don't even worry about it. We're going to stay in this trade a little longer. Just wait for price to head back down. I'll show you why I got in this trade and what I thought about this trade. You can see on a minute we're in a downtrend and making another lower high. We're not even worried about that because we're still in profit 452. We could have easily closed out and still have made good money. Okay, so we're going to take what the market's going to give us. We're not going to be greedy, but we are going to allow our trade some room before we get out. All right, so gang, hope this video out. I'll be pausing it. I'll be right back. All right, gang, we're back. All right, so as you can see, price was consolidating. We had to wait for price to break the box. Okay, we put a box around this consolidation. You can see on the 5 minutes consolidating. It's just going up and down, up and down. We don't know. Price is in indecision right now. So we're waiting for price to break the box. It broke the box finally. See on the 1 minute, finally broke the box, and we're heading back down in continuation in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. See right here, a lot of people would have got faked out because we thought we were going in an uptrend. It did break the box and go up, but it's clearly going back down in continuation in a downtrend. You can see right here on a minute, we are in a downtrend. See lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. consolidating. This is all consolidation right now. You don't want to trade consolidation because you want to wait for price to break the box to get back in. Like right now would be perfect time to get back in. Price is going to 48.50, 48,500 again. So this is another $2 grand trade right here, gang. I got y'all. I'm doing whatever I can to help y'all out. So you feel comfortable enough to get in these trades. So we waited for price to break the box, okay? You don't trade a consolidation. Never trade a consolidation because you'll just get all these broker fees because you're trying to get in and out. Like, oh, price is going up. No, price is going down. No, just wait for price to break the box. Once price breaks the box, you get back in this for continuation. It was in a downtrend, okay? Boom, you can see it's in a downtrend. It was in an uptrend earlier. See, we had missed this trade actually. We had fell asleep around this time. It was wicking, consolidation. Finally broke the box. It went, where did it go? All the way to, see, higher high, higher low, higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Went all the way up to 49,500, 49.55. Um, so it went all the way up to 49,555 before heading back down to 49 right now. Okay, so it broke. So we was waiting for price to break the box. Boom, wicking. It broke the box at 555 around there. Told you price will go to 49,500 or 49,550, 49,600. Okay, 49,650. 49,700. So it'll go in key levels. Banks like to go to key levels. So it went to a key level. It finally broke. We had got back in. We have 2 cells right here up 10. And we had some other cells right here. We got 8 cells for 10 in here. Okay. We got 3 cells for 10 at the top and another 5 at the bottom. So we got 8 cells for 0.10s right now in here. Okay, gang. So you can see right here, it was in an uptrend. It broke the trend line. Boom. Once it broke the trend line, I got in aggressively. Okay. Sometimes you got to be aggressive. Once you see the trend line gets broken, you get in. Okay. You get in once you see the trend line broken. So we seen the trend line was broken. Boom. We got in. Okay. On the 15, you can see. Boom. Price finally broke the box. It was consolidating. Even on the 15, we see a bearish engulfing pattern on the 15 as well. Okay. Letting us know that price letting us know that price is finally wants to head back down. This uptrend is no longer in effect. Okay, this uptrend was no longer in effect. It was wicking. Boom, finally broke here. It was wicking. Boom, finally broke back down into continuation into a downtrend. All right, gang. So as you can see on the 15, on the 5. Bitcoin was wicking. Price was wicking up and down. It was wicking up and down. Okay, we had more wicks up. You can see more wicks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks up. What does that let you know? When wicks tell you what? Wicks tell you that price doesn't want to break that point. Doesn't want to break this area. Okay, so it broke the box. It went to 49. Okay, this will be like a good time to actually get out of the trade right now. Okay, on the 15, you can see it's a bearish engulfing pattern. If we wanted to, we will wait. Just showing you we're in a downtrend right now. Boom, we're in a downtrend. Finally broke the box. Okay, this is more like entry trading. Okay, we're waiting for price to actually break, and that took about like another hour. So this is more like entry day trading. We'll be in this trade for about 2 to 5 hours to about 24 at tops. So price went to on the 1 hour, it's going down. If you want to check the 1 hour, you see 3 candlesticks. When you see 3 candlesticks going up, like you see, it's going up. Or you see three candlesticks right after it broke the box, you see 3 candlesticks on the hour. Right after it broke the box, you see 3 candlesticks going down. Letting you know, and you see on the 1 hour, it did also break this trend line. Boom, now you know that price wants to continue heading down. So we just go off of what the candlesticks is telling us. We know that the wicks are very, very important. Very important. You can see on the 5 minute is wicking. This all right here is like considered consolidation. It broke the box. Wait for price to break the box. Made a triple candlestick pattern going down, and you know that price wants to go down. Three black soldier candlestick pattern, or 3 red soldier candlestick pattern. So these are some of the candlestick pattern, bearish engulfing pattern. You know, we waited for price to retest. Boom. Once price retested, it made this another. See, it's in the lower. We're in a downtrend right now. We're in an uptrend previous. Now we're in a downtrend. Once it made this lower low, lower high, lower low, consolidation, it made another lower high. Then it made another lower low, broke the box. Boom, we're in for a trade. Okay, now our next key level would be 48. 500 from 49 to 48 500. We'll probably get out around like 48 because we don't know what price wants to do. So we'll get out probably around like 48, like 731 or around there. You know, that's a good trade. Or you can hold it for longer, depending on you. It's all on you and what you want to do. You know, it's all on you. So you can see it's 15 right now. It's going down. It's going down in 1 hour. Okay, so it's now 10 o'clock. It's a new hour. So boom, this probably would have been a good time to get out the trade. We made 1805. We don't know what price wants to do. Price can head back up. So this would probably be a good time to get out of the trade. Okay, like price can definitely head back up. We don't know what price wants to do yet. It did go down to 49. You see, it's still going down further. But you just want to wait for the retest to get in. Once you've seen that lower low, you could have got in for sales. So, you know, we're up 15 right now. Obviously, we could stay in this trade if we wanted to and see how it plans out and how it plays out. Alright, gang. So, you can see, gang, you see prices starting to wick again. Another consolidation, but it's wicking down. It's more wicks downs than ups. And you see some wicks ups, you also see some wicks down. So, you know, we also see some wicks down. It did go to 49 to our key level. The next key level would be 49 500. 48 500. So we don't know what price wants to do right now, but it did hit our key level. It went from 49 677 to 49,060. So that's close enough. So I feel like this is a good trade for the day. You know, we made about 16K. So like we don't want to be too greedy, okay? Unless the market, the market shows us it wants to go down. It is in a downtrend, but like I said, it did get close to the 30. It also could rise back up. So you know, you want to take what the market gives you. You don't want to be too greedy, gang. So it did make a good 16. The next key level would be 48, but could go back up to 49. So we're just going to take this trade right here, gang. I hope these videos help. Like I said, just wait for the retest and then get in, you know, and see what price is doing. Price continues. Once price breaks out of this box, it most likely is going to go back down and continue going back down. So, you know, it could continue going back down. I feel like this is a good trade, you know, though, and we made a good amount of money in this trade. So we're just going to get out of this trade now. In the 1 minute, you can see we're in a downtrend. 1 to 5, you can see it. We're in a downtrend. I'm going to show this on Trading View too. And, you know, this is a good trade. You know, we're trying to make money. So we're just going to get in and out these trades and just keep building and keep multiplying our accounts. Okay? So, you know, it's always going to be more trades. Price will retest this level, this 49 level, before heading back down again. It could do that. Could see a reversal. It looks like a little mini downtrend right now. Overall, we're in a downtrend. In my perspective, we're in a downtrend still. You can see on the 15, we're in a downtrend still. This is a deep downtrend. I don't see really price heading back up yet. I feel like this was a retest back down to 48 actually. I feel like price is going to head back down to 48 500 pretty soon. Like actually we might actually want to stay in this trade. Like, to be honest, I'm very tempting to, you know, to stay in this trade. Definitely am. Just off of what price is telling us, knowing that this is really a downtrend. And I'll explain that too in Trading View why I believe this is still going down. Overall, I think we're still in a downtrend overall, even though we see that it was in an uptrend. Um, right here, I feel like we're still in a downtrend, but we're going to get out. You know, take what the market gives us. We can always get back in. For another trade. So I hope these videos help, gang. We're gonna close right here. Just start closing. It went to 49, so that's where we wanted our profit to go to, 49. It went exactly to 49. And it's heading back up right now. So I hope this video helped, gang. I'll be posting more and more content. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature.